Cell phone video caught the tail end of the collapse, which from the air you can see several cars and trucks that were able to...
A flash flood that's rarely seen.
Guys, get out of the way.
Just outside the town of Mayer, Arizona, north of Phoenix, came a wall.
Do you trust the ground beneath your feet? Do you believe that mountains are stable? That roads are permanent? That sinkholes only happen elsewhere? The footage you're about to witness will destroy those assumptions. Today, you'll see 12 moments when Earth itself became the weapon. When the very foundation we build on turned hostile without warning. From sinkholes that swallowed moving cars to rockslides that obliterated highways in seconds, every moment reveals that solid ground is a temporary condition. Number 12 has been documented over and over, and it still kills dozens annually. Let's begin. Number 12. Sinkhole swallows car. The ground that vanished. Imagine driving through a parking lot when the asphalt beneath your vehicle simply disappears and your car drops into a crater. July 3, 2013. Security camera footage from a IHOP parking lot in Meridian, Mississippi captured a sinkhole opening directly beneath a parked car. The vehicle, with a woman inside, dropped 15 feet in seconds as the ground liquefied. The crater was 35 feet wide and grew rapidly. The driver was rescued, injured, but alive. Sinkholes in this region form when underground water dissolves limestone, creating cavities. When the cavity grows too large, the surface collapses. What makes sinkholes terrifying is they're unpredictable. No surface indicators, no warning, just sudden catastrophic failure of ground that appeared solid. Parking lots, roads, and yards can collapse without warning, and there's no way to predict which will fail next. Number 11. Taiwan Highway Rock Slide. The boulder that crushed a car. Imagine driving on a highway through mountains when a boulder the size of a car crashes onto the road directly in front of you. April 25, 2019. Dashcam footage from Taiwan's Suhua Highway captured a massive boulder, estimated at several tons, breaking free from the cliff face and crashing onto the highway, obliterating a vehicle. The boulder hit with enough force to flatten the car and crater the pavement. Rock slides on this highway are common enough that warning systems exist, but this boulder gave no warning. It simply separated from the cliff and fell. The impact speed, combined with the boulder's mass, meant the occupants had no chance. The highway was closed for days while engineers assessed cliff stability. Mountain highways exist in the fall zone, and sometimes rocks fall faster than warning systems can react. Number 10. Arizona Desert Flash Flood. 0 to river in 8 minutes. Imagine standing in a dry canyon under blue sky when a 10-foot wall of water races toward you at 20 miles per hour. July 2015. Hikers in a canyon near Phoenix captured GoPro footage of a flash flood forming, 8 minutes from dry sand to raging river carrying boulders the size of cars. Rain had fallen 30 miles upstream in mountains the hikers couldn't see. Desert soil is hardpan that absorbs almost nothing, so every drop becomes runoff. The water picked up speed on steep terrain, accelerated to 20 miles per hour, and arrived with a freight train sound. The hikers survived by climbing to a ledge 20 feet up. The water peaked at 15 feet high. The entire event, 0 to maximum flow and back to trickling stream, lasted 19 minutes. Desert rivers form faster than you can react, and the warning is sound, traveling faster than the water. Number 9. Italy, highway bridge collapse. The road that fell. Imagine driving across a bridge when the entire structure collapses beneath you and your vehicle free falls with the debris. August 14, 2018. The Morandi Bridge in Genoa, Italy collapsed during a rainstorm, dropping an entire section, about 200 meters, to the ground below. Dashcam footage captured vehicles driving across when the bridge simply fell. 43 people died, most in vehicles that fell with the structure. The bridge was a major highway artery, and at the moment of collapse, dozens of vehicles were crossing. The cause was structural failure. Corrosion and inadequate maintenance weakened the support cables until they snapped under the bridge's own weight, combined with traffic load and wind. Bridges are designed to last decades, but only if maintained. Corrosion doesn't pause, and eventually, gravity wins. Number 8. Lake Erie Ice Tsunami, when winter becomes aggressive. Imagine 30-foot walls of ice grinding toward your lakefront home at walking speed, piling higher with each surge. February 24, 2019, Hamburg, New York, residents filmed millions of tons of lake ice, driven by 40-mile-per-hour winds compressing against shore. The ice didn't melt or stop. It piled, pushing chunks the size of refrigerators across roads and into yards. The sound was continuous grinding thunder mixed with breaking glass. Ice tsunamis require frozen lakes with mobile ice, sustained winds, and shallow shoreline. Lake Erie averages only 62 feet deep, perfect for ice shove events. The pressure was immense. Ice doesn't compress, it fractures and stacks. The Hamburg shove pushed 50 feet inland, crushed docks, punched through foundations, and left yards buried under ice rubble that took weeks to melt. Even frozen water obeys momentum, and winter can attack as aggressively as summer storms. Number 7. Bayou Corn Sinkhole, the swamp that swallowed acres. Imagine trees disappearing into swamp water as a sinkhole the size of multiple football fields opens and continues growing for years. August 3, 2012, a sinkhole opened in Louisiana's Assumption Parish, eventually growing to 37 acres and over 750 feet deep. The cause was a collapsed underground salt dome cavern used for storing natural gas. As the cavern ceiling failed, earth above collapsed into the void, creating a sinkhole that swallowed cypress trees, swamp, and land. Seismographs recorded continuous tremors as material continued falling. The sinkhole released methane and other gases, creating bubbling zones across the swamp. Residents within a mile were permanently evacuated. The sinkhole is still there, still unstable, periodically expanding when more cavern ceiling collapses. Industrial activity created a void underground, and nature is slowly filling it, 1 acre at a time. Number 6. Nepal Earthquake Avalanche, the mountain that exploded. Imagine standing at Mount Everest Base Camp when a magnitude 7.8 earthquake triggers avalanches that race down the mountain at 200 miles per hour. April 25, 2015. Cameras at Everest Base Camp captured the moment an avalanche triggered by Nepal's deadly earthquake struck the camp. Climbers heard a roar, looked up, and saw a wall of snow and ice racing down the mountain faster than hurricane winds. The avalanche killed 19 people at base camp and stranded hundreds of climbers higher on the mountain. The footage shows climbers running, the cloud of snow overtaking them, tents being obliterated, and the aftermath, complete destruction. The earthquake measured magnitude 7.8, killed nearly 9,000 people across Nepal, and triggered avalanches on multiple peaks. Earthquakes in mountain regions don't just shake the ground, they weaponize the snow above you. Number 5. Hunga Tonga Volcanic Eruption. The explosion heard worldwide. Imagine an underwater volcano exploding with such force, the shock wave circles the planet multiple times and is heard from Alaska to New Zealand. January 15, 2022. The Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai underwater volcano erupted with an explosive force equivalent to hundreds of megatons of TNT. one of the most powerful explosions in recorded history. The eruption column reached 36 miles high, penetrating into the mesosphere. The shock wave was detected by barometers worldwide. It circled Earth at least 4 times. The explosion was heard in Alaska, over 6,000 miles away. Tsunami waves reached 15 meters in Tonga, and measurable waves arrived as far as Japan and the Americas. Satellite footage shows the moment of detonation, a massive umbrella cloud expanding faster than the speed of sound. The eruption briefly increased global water vapor in the stratosphere by 10% and may affect climate for years. Number 4. Phoenix Haboob, the mile-high wall of dust. Imagine a wall extending from ground to stratosphere, a solid curtain of brown advancing at 50 miles per hour, devouring everything. July 5, 2011. Phoenix residents captured the haboob that redefined desert weather. A dust storm 1 mile high and over 100 miles wide, moving at speeds exceeding 50 miles per hour. Haboobs form when downdrafts from collapsing thunderstorms hit ground and spread outward, lifting soil and sand into walls. Visibility inside dropped to 0 instantly. The dust contained not just surface sand, but also fungal spores that cause valley fever, leading to a spike in respiratory cases. Drivers had to choose between stopping and risking being rear-ended or driving blind. Multiple pileups occurred. The dust layer that settled was thick enough to shovel. The desert doesn't expand slowly. It launches itself into the air and travels at highway speeds. Number 3. Indonesia tsunami, the beach concert that became a disaster. Imagine attending an outdoor concert on a beach when a tsunami arrives without warning, sweeping the stage, band, and audience into the ocean. December 22, 2018. A volcanic eruption on Anak Krakatau triggered an underwater landslide that generated a tsunami striking beaches in Indonesia's Sunda Strait. Cell phone footage captured the moment waves struck a beach concert. The band was playing when water swept across the stage. 430 people died, including members of the band 17. What made this tsunami particularly deadly is there was no earthquake warning. Volcanic tsunamis don't generate the seismic alerts that earthquake tsunamis do. Beachgoers had no warning, and the waves arrived at night. Volcanic tsunamis are invisible threats. No earthquake to warn you, just waves that arrive from nowhere. Number 2. Turkey-Syria earthquake building collapses. The cities that fell. Imagine sleeping when a magnitude 7.8 earthquake strikes, and within seconds, thousands of buildings across 2 countries collapse simultaneously. February 6, 2023. Security cameras across Turkey and Syria captured the moment a massive earthquake struck, collapsing buildings across multiple cities. The footage is horrifying. Buildings that stood for decades pancaking in seconds, entire city blocks reduced to rubble, dust clouds rising across urban landscapes. Over 50,000 people died, most crushed in collapsed structures. The earthquake measured magnitude 7.8, struck at 4:17 a.m. when most people were asleep, and was followed 9 hours later by a magnitude 7.5 aftershock that collapsed buildings already weakened. Rescue operations continued for weeks, finding survivors trapped in void spaces. Modern cities with poor building codes are death traps when major earthquakes strike. Number 1. Sidoarjo mud volcano, the eruption that won't stop. Imagine mud erupting from the ground at 180,000 cubic meters per day, flowing continuously for over 17 years, with no end in sight. May 29, 2006. A mud volcano began erupting near Sidoarjo, Indonesia, triggered by natural gas drilling that punctured a pressurized mud layer. Hot mud and steam began flowing from the ground, and despite numerous attempts to stop it, The eruption continues. The mud has buried 12 villages, displaced 60,000 people, and covered over 3 square miles. Engineers tried plugging the source, diverting the flow, even dropping concrete balls into the vent. Nothing worked. The underground pressure is too great. The mud continues flowing, slowly burying more land. The area is now a mud lake, with only rooftops and tops of structures visible. Industrial drilling released pressure that cannot be contained, and the earth has been bleeding mud for 17 years. 12 moments when the ground we trust revealed itself as temporary. Sinkholes open without warning. Rockslides crush in seconds. Flash floods form in minutes. Ice advances. Bridges fail. Avalanches race. Volcanoes explode. Dust walls swallow cities. Tsunamis arrive silently. Earthquakes collapse cities. And mud flows that never stop. Every moment captured is a lesson. Solid ground is a courtesy nature extends until it doesn't. The earth beneath you is stable only until it decides otherwise.